Everyone, masarap magbakasyon, 'di ba? Pagka usapang bakasyon, talagang unang pumapasok sa isip natin to relax. And minsan kapag nasa vacation tayo, tapos biglang shift na kailangan mo nang mag-work, hirap na hirap yung body and yung mind natin na mag-adjust kasi um, kumbaga parang andun ka na sa comfort zone mo eh. Gusto mo na yung pakaramdam na you feel relaxed. At talagang people tend to have vacation kasi kailangan natin minsan sa buhay ang mag-relax, 'di ba? Pero merong mga business people or mga ibang tao na while they are in vacation, they make out of it. Ibig sabihin, kahit na nasa bakasyon sila, they doing something productive. They still use their vacation time to produce something that makes them more valuable or productive. Like when you in a vacation, you feel that you are in a different world than you used to. So other people who have this mindset that okay, this is a new place, this is a new surroundings, so they being observed of everything that they have, and they make sure that in everything that they do, even they're in a vacation, they adding value of what they did. So whatever they are, whatever situations they have, they make sure that they create something valuable or impactful to them. So they use the place, or they created something that can produce another source of income. So it depends on the people who adding value of what they did and how they make productive. So it's up to you what kind of productions that you created while you are in a vacation. So it doesn't really that you do something that you can work on it physically. So, pwedeng while you are in the vacation, andun yung mas nakakapag-isip ka ng mga new ideas, new things na pwede mong gawin when you go back to your real world. So, nakakatuwa lang isipin that there are people that actually they use the vacations to get more ideas, to create more plans in their life. So they maximize their time to think something that is more different, so that when they come back to the real world, they have another opinions or ideas that they can share that might create something valuable when they go back to their work. So, ako ang tawag ko po doon is, when you have vacation, that's an outflow. Kasi when you do the outflow, there's an inflow. So, and when you go to other places for vacation, you feel the surroundings that you have. You feel a new surroundings that you might have with your senses. So you are in the present time, and when you are in the present time, you created more ideas, more productive source of income because you are in the present time. So mas yung pagiging sa vacation, hindi lang para makapagtanggal ng release. That is also the best time to adding value in everything of what they did. So might as well, when you have the vacations, you have this kind of mindset kasi it will help you a lot. Hope you like this simple motivational talk. Thank you everyone, and God bless.